Have you ever wondered how Jay-Z went from being a rapper to one of the richest people in the world? It wasn't just about his chart-topping albums and sold-out concerts. Jay-Z used his business acumen to build a fortune that's far beyond music. With ventures ranging from real estate to streaming services, Jay-Z is more than just a hip-hop icon. He's a business mogul. In this video, we'll break down the top business moves that transformed Jay-Z into a billionaire. From Rockefeller Records to his investments in luxury brands and tech startups, we'll explore the strategies that helped him build a fortune worth over $2.5 billion. Stick around to find out how these decisions were key to his success and how they can inspire you to think about wealth in a whole new way. Jay-Z's background, from Brooklyn to billionaire. Before we dive into his big business moves, let's take a step back and understand where Jay-Z's journey began. Born Sean Corey Carter in Brooklyn, New York, Jay-Z grew up in a tough neighborhood. Raised by his mother, he was surrounded by hardship, but he also learned to hustle from an early age. Jay-Z was no stranger to struggles. He started by selling crack cocaine in the streets, which gave him his first taste of money and business. But his dream was always bigger than that. He didn't want to be known just for surviving in the streets. He wanted to thrive. Now, let's talk about how Jay-Z made business moves to become a billionaire. Ready to dive into his next big business venture? Keep watching. 1. Rockefeller Records, laying the foundation for success. In 1996, Jay-Z, Damon Dash, and Kareem Burke founded Rockefeller Records with the goal of empowering themselves to control not just their music but the entire business behind it. Their idea was revolutionary. Create a label where they controlled the music, the distribution, and the branding, instead of relying on a major record company. It wasn't an easy start, and the trio faced early setbacks. But they persevered, eventually landing a distribution deal with Priority Records that helped them grow. Jay-Z's debut album, Reasonable Doubt, sold over 4 million copies and established him as a force in the rap game. From there, Rockefeller Records skyrocketed, signing superstars like Kanye West, Rihanna, and Usher, among others. In 2004, Island Def Jam bought Rockefeller for a massive $100 million, which brought in a huge payout for Jay-Z. However, Jay-Z didn't just cash out. He bought out his partners, taking full ownership of the label. This decision allowed him to retain control and continue expanding Rockefeller, making it one of the most successful hip-hop labels ever. This was the first of many business moves that would solidify Jay-Z as one of the most successful moguls in the music industry. 2. Carol City, investing in real estate. While his music career was flourishing, Jay-Z set his sights on something else, real estate. In 2003, he saw an opportunity in Carol City, a neighborhood near Miami Beach, and made a strategic investment in the area. At the time, many doubted the area's potential, but Jay-Z's vision told him otherwise. He bought a 16-unit condo building in Carol City for $8.5 million. Fast forward to today, and that property is worth around $40 million, a 300% increase in value. This smart investment in real estate helped him diversify his income streams and build long-term wealth. Jay-Z didn't just buy the property. He held on to it, recognizing that patience and long-term investments often yield the best returns. This move further demonstrated his business insight, and it marked the beginning of his deep involvement in the real estate market. 3. Tidal, disrupting the music streaming industry. In 2014, Jay-Z made a bold move into the music streaming industry by acquiring Tidal, a music platform that was struggling at the time. Unlike other platforms, Tidal focused on high-definition audio and exclusive content, a model that Jay-Z saw as a game-changer for the music industry. What made this investment so impactful was Jay-Z's ability to assemble a team of top artists like Beyoncé, Kanye West, and Rihanna to back Tidal. This celebrity-backed initiative brought instant credibility and gave Tidal an edge over its competitors. Jay-Z's strategic vision led to rapid growth and increased user subscriptions. Under his leadership, Tidal became known for its exclusive albums and premium audio, which attracted millions of new subscribers. Today, Tidal is one of the most successful streaming platforms, and Jay-Z's involvement was key to its rise. This move was not just about music. It was a savvy business investment that helped Jay-Z expand his empire. 4. Armand de Brignac Champagne, entering the luxury market. In 2006, Jay-Z entered the luxury market with a bold move, investing in Armand de Brignac Champagne. The brand, known for its luxury appeal, was not only a status symbol but also a strategic asset that Jay-Z could help elevate to new heights. He purchased a major stake in the company, and his influence helped the brand become synonymous with luxury. Jay-Z didn't stop at just owning the brand. He rebranded it, making it more appealing to the masses and turning it into a cultural phenomenon. In 2014, he sold a 50% stake in the brand to LVMH for around $300 million, valuing it at over $500 million. Armand de Brignac's success under Jay-Z's leadership proved that luxury could be turned into a profitable venture, and it reinforced his reputation as a savvy investor in industries beyond music. 5. Roc Nation, expanding into sports and entertainment. Jay-Z's ambitions didn't stop at music and champagne. In 2008, he founded Roc Nation, an entertainment company that went far beyond just managing music artists. It started as a record label, but soon expanded to sports management, film, and TV. What made Roc Nation so successful was Jay-Z's ability to diversify and connect multiple entertainment industries under one roof. The company represents top athletes like Kevin Durant and Robinson Cano, and manages their endorsements, brand partnerships, and career decisions. Roc Nation has also expanded into film production, where they work on everything from music videos to full-length films. Roc Nation's ability to integrate multiple entertainment sectors gave Jay-Z a long-term business model that would continue to generate wealth for years to come. The company's success made him a force to be reckoned with in not just music but sports and media as well. 6. Uber, the smart investment in tech. Jay-Z didn't just stick to the entertainment world. He also invested in the future. In 2011, he made a smart investment in Uber, a ride-sharing company that was just getting started. At the time, Uber was an unknown startup, but Jay-Z saw its potential and invested $70 million into the company. As Uber grew rapidly, Jay-Z's investment paid off, making him a significant shareholder in one of the world's largest tech companies. Uber's global presence and disruption of the transportation industry made it an attractive asset for Jay-Z to hold on to, and he continued to profit as the company's valuation soared. Jay-Z's decision to invest in Uber was just another example of his long-term thinking and his ability to recognize high-potential investments outside of music. 7. Rocawear, creating a fashion empire. In 1999, Jay-Z ventured into the world of fashion by launching Rocawear, a clothing brand that would soon become synonymous with urban culture. What set Rocawear apart from other celebrity brands was that Jay-Z didn't just lend his name. He took full ownership, shaping it into a business powerhouse. With a vision that extended beyond just trendy clothing, he made strategic decisions to expand the brand into a lifestyle empire. By 2007, Jay-Z sold Rocawear to Iconix Brand Group for a massive $204 million. But he didn't just walk away. The real genius move? Jay-Z retained ownership of the intellectual property rights, which meant he continued to earn from the brand long after the sale. This gave him ongoing revenue while still allowing the brand to flourish. Rocawear's success was a testament to Jay-Z's business acumen, proving that he was not only a musical prodigy but a true entrepreneur with the ability to create iconic brands that resonated with a global audience. Jay-Z's entry into fashion wasn't just a trend. It became a cultural milestone that turned him into a mogul across industries. Jay-Z's journey to becoming a billionaire mogul wasn't just about his musical talent. It was about strategic thinking and making smart business moves. From Rockefeller Records to Tidal, Armand de Brignac, and Roc Nation, Jay-Z's success came from thinking long-term and diversifying his investments. Jay-Z's story shows that true wealth isn't just about making money. It's about making the right moves and investing in the future. He's a true mogul, and if you want to follow in his footsteps, you need to think outside the box and make wise decisions. Like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.